Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm BDS, and for those who are new, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot of fun content, and for those who are just tuning in, I was talking in my previous video about mods that I'm going to do to my project car. I'm gonna post the link of the video up there. We are talking about my E36 1996 BMW. It's a 328 IS. It got 2.8 liters straight 6-cylinder engine, 193 horsepower. And I was saying in the previous video, I'm about to go to 350 horsepower. I will see how I can update it. Today we're just gonna talk about reliability of this car and what you need, what kind of maintenance you have to do to keep this car running forever. And we're gonna start with the oil change, which is pretty normal. Like, you have to change the oil on every car because the oil over the time get dirty. Also, the car is consuming the oil when you're driving it. And also, you should check the oil every second time when you're getting the gas, just to keep tracking on those performance car, just to keep tracking like, does it spending oil or not, so you know if you have a good engine or bad engine. So far I didn't have any troubles with my engine. I just keep changing oil every 10,000 miles. Every 60,000 miles it's recommended to change the cooling system, which is radiators, high temperature pump, thermostat. And if you keep doing those stuff, this car is gonna run forever and you're never gonna have troubles. Right now I have 100,000 miles on it, and with good maintenance I think I can make another 200,000 miles with this car. To be honest, even if the car breaks down, I'm just gonna find a new engine, or like I'm just gonna find a donor car and I'm just gonna replace the engine and keep driving this car, because I love this car and it's always putting the smile on my face when I'm driving it. It's a good daily driver, it's comfortable, seats are nice, and the car is really smooth when you're driving it. It's good for back roads, it's good for freeway. It's just so nice to drive a car that draws attention, and on the roads you're getting a lot of thumbs up and everyone loves the car. That will be all for today's video, guys, and consider subscribe if you're new to this channel. And if you like this video, share this video, and I would like in the future to decide which color I would go, and I would strip the whole car, take everything apart, and I would just paint the whole car and fix all the dents and scratches. And yeah, that would be all for today's video. Again, like, share, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and a lot of new content is coming, and see you next time.